Hey, cool. Welcome to Marlin Internet. Your task is going to be to get a website going that looks like this. And we're going to be building a table out of this. As it looks right now, this is basically nothing. There's no table in here, but we're going to use CSS here, and we're going to look at those linear gradient fills, right? So the linear gradient being this kind of thing, right? You see how the colors fade nicely together. And we did some of that in our coding. It's like, yeah, that looks great, but in context of a website like this, we're going to see that in action. So this is going to be exciting for you folks. Okay, we have now the MI pricing text .html. This is under case one. Okay, so if you have the data files, data 06, it's under case one. That's where we're going to be working from. All right. So under case one, it's going to ask us, open up these two files here, MI pricing, the text files, MI pricing text and MI tables text. Okay, MI pricing text and MI tables. So we're going to take these two files here like that, and folks, go ahead and do a save as on them. I saw a couple of assignments come in where these weren't renamed. So please rename these. Okay, do a save as here, right, and take that text tag off of it. Right, and the same with MI tables, we do save as here. Okay, take text off of there. So it says just like that, okay? I'm gonna shut my camera off so that I give you more real estate to view here. Okay, so cool, we got the MI pricing, HTML and MI tables. Got that going in there. And you'll see this right here too. There's our MI pricing. It was saved today. MI tables, yep, here it is, saved today. Okay. And if we want to take a look at that file, here it is in Chrome. Whole lot of nothing. Okay. Got your basic banner page. Your customer just wants you to get a table in here up and going. So folks, go ahead and have this. Go ahead and have this in front of you so that you can follow along. Okay, because I think I'm gonna, yeah, maybe I'll fly this in and out so we can do a refresh on here and see what happens when we make changes. Okay. Okay, first part, yeah, go ahead and put your name, put the date in there. Okay. And then add a link to the MI tables CSS style sheet. Okay, so that would be link CSS, right? And this is the MI tables. Okay, Go ahead and save that. Okay, that was your document setup. We're going to create the web table here. Okay, so for our web table, directly after the paragraph in the article element, insert a web table with the ID of pricing. Okay, and that means, where are we going to do that? Yeah, how about we just drop it in under here? Okay, that was exclusive online content. All right. Table ID pricing. Table ID pricing. So remember, we got table that's right there. A hashtag or a pound sign means ID. Okay, table pricing. There we go. Okay, and within this table here, okay, within this table, this is where we're going to be adding in everything else. Okay, so table ID is pricing. Okay, in the first row, okay, how about we add our column group? Okay, this is it right here. Okay, add a column group element. So our column group element is going to be added to that web table containing two column elements. The first column element should have the ID first call. Second element should belong to the class called data calls and then span 4 columns. Okay, I think we could do that. So we're going to do this. So we're going to do column group, call group, okay, and nested under that is call, and that's an ID there. First call, okay. Right underneath that is call, and then this time we're going to do this. Okay, open that up. We're going to do class equals data calls, and we're going to span 4. Okay, hit tab and that opens it up there. Okay, cool. Okay, we are going to add here a T-head row group element containing 2 rows. Okay, and in the first row, insert 5 TH elements, those are table head elements, containing the text shown in figure 653. Okay, that's up there. First heading cell should span 2 rows. In the second row, add 4 heading cells containing the prices of the plans below, or actually above, shown up here. And use a hard break element to display the price information on 2 separate lines, right? Like $19.95 per month, right? That's the second line there. Okay, so let's build this out here. Okay, so that was right under column group. We're gonna do this, T head. Okay, then underneath that is TR, TH, row span equals 2. And then select a plan. So those curly braces right there for this in Emmet mean text, right? Plus th, change me. Okay, we're gonna do ×4 there and go up a level. Let's try this, th per month ×4 because we have 4 plans there. Okay, this gave us our structure right here, right? We got our T head right here. We got our TR. Nested in between the TRs, we got our TH row span 2. Select a plan here. And you notice we got our plans. We're gonna change those. Right underneath that are the prices, and then we'll add in our breaks. Okay, so change me. The first plan is our starter. Okay, second one is prime. Third is prime plus. And fourth is the ultra plan. Okay, cool. Now we got the we got this. Okay. So the first one is $19.95 a month, right? So $19.95. Second one is $29.95 a month. Third one is $49.95 a month. Last one is $69.95 a month. Okay. And let's see, let's also look for, okay, we'll look for something like that. Look for that text there because this is where we need to edit in our hard breaks. So our hard breaks is gonna be like this, 5 break, and it's per. Okay, let's see if that'll do it. Yeah, okay, that's our first one, that's our second one. All right. God, I love find and replace, don't you? So there's our hard breaks right there. Let's save it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, fly this in here. Right. At least we have select a plan, and then we got starter prime, prime plus, and ultra. And there's our prices, and then that hard break sets that per month down on the next line behind it or below it. Okay, let us add a T-body row group element. All right. In each row within the group, add a th element, table head element containing the text shown in this figure and 4 TD elements containing the data values for each plan. Okay, so that means I come out to, let's see, after the t-head element, add in t-body. Okay, expand that out. And this area right here is where we're going to be building everything out. So I could do one single Emmet to include like everything, but let's just go through the download speeds, upload speeds, cloud storage, email accounts, and 24/7 support. And then of course the little descriptor boxes that are out over here, the summaries. Okay, so our first one is going to be this TR TH download speed. Okay, and right underneath that there, we're going to add a TD, add in some text here. Okay, we know it's going to have megabits per sec. Okay, and we know we're going to need to do this 4 times. Okay. So that means, yeah, we can go ahead and do a find and replace here. And if we look at all of our speeds here, let's go like this. The first one is what, 15 meg? Okay, cool. Second one is 30 meg. This one's 50 meg. And the other is 100 meg. Yeah, let's save. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so there's our download speed. There it is under there, 15, 30, 50, and 100. So good. So the next one, let's do our next one here. Okay, it's going to be TR, TH, upload speed, plus TD, times 4. Cool. Okay, so those upload speeds there, 3, 6, 10, and 20. Okay, 3, 6, 10, and 20. All right, cool. Next one is our cloud storage. So our cloud storage, yep, you guessed it, same structure of that Emmet. TRTH, cloud storage, plus TD. Got our, how many gigs there? And it's going to be times 4. So cool. 2, 5, 15, and 40. 2, 5, 15, and 40. Excellent. TR, email accounts. Are y'all with me, or should I back up a little bit? Okay, we got our email accounts, TD, times 4. Is this all kind of making sense? Okay, good. At least one person. I'll take it. Okay, so we got our email accounts. We got support, TR, same thing, TH, 24/7 support plus TD. It's all going to be yes times 4. Okay, so that is looking good there. Okay, add a T-foot row group element, T-foot row group. Okay, and that was after the T body. Okay, so we're gonna do T-foot, and then we're going to do the summary here, the summary and then the text. Okay, so first of all, let us see. I don't know about you, but I don't want to reinvent the wheel. I don't want to type all that in again. So if you take a look here, I think it's under case 1. Yeah, cool. So case 1, they have this here, all the text that you need. It's like, thank goodness. I just want to hurry up and get this done here for you. You're probably thinking, hey, I just want to get through the assignment. Okay, so T body, we're going to add T foot. Okay, T foot. Underneath that is our TR. Okay, and then it's TH. TH, and this should be summary. Let's see what this will give us. Just expand that out. Okay, so TR, we need a TH in here for our summary. Okay, and how many of these do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Summary is, these are all TDs right underneath, and we got 4 of them. So it's TD change me times 4. All right. So let's come over here to our text, our first one here. Let's grab that text. Paste it in. Okay, our second one. paste it in. Third one, paste it in. Fourth one, paste it in. All right, let's save that. Okay, do reload here. Okay, so the text is starting to, the table is looking good. The text is looking good. We just need to format all this yet. Okay, just make sure that's saved. Okay, and the next one here is our table styles. Okay, mitables.css, we're in right here. Okay. Go to the table style section after you drop in your name and the date right there. And notice here, file name is mitables.css. So if you have a file name that is anything contrary to that, fix it so that your file name is that. You could even do this, right? Copy that, do save as, and paste that name right in, right up at the top. You could do it that way too. Okay, so table styles. Okay, and we are going to set the background color to a linear gradient that goes to the bottom of the table background, starting from kind of a gray and ending in black, right? So kind of starts, well, yeah, sort of gray, and then goes down to black at the end. So that's linear gradient. So let's do that. So that's gonna be down here, table styles. We're gonna do table. Okay, open that up. Background. Our background is gonna be linear gradient. Linear gradient is gonna be to bottom. The color is RGB, 190, 215, 255. And we go to black. Our border, 5-pixel solid gray border. Okay, 5-pixel solid gray, awesome. For every TH and TD element in that table, create a style rule. Create a style rule that adds a 3-pixel solid gray border, sets a line height to 1.4 EM, and sets the padding space to 8 pixels. Okay, easy. TH, TD, curly brace, open that up. It's going to be border, 3-pixel solid gray. Line height. Line height is 1.4 EM. Okay. Padding is 8 pixel. All right. Hey, just for grins, why don't we just save this and see what the page kind of looks like now. Hey, cool. So it looks like we got our table there. We got the linear gradient going, right? But you notice the text, it's kind of hard to read, black on black. So let's try to fix that a little, shall we? Okay, so we got our TDTH in there. Okay, so we're gonna do a separate TH here, and we're gonna do a separate TD right under it. So the background is going to be black. Color is going to be RGB. 130, 210, 255. And font weight is going to be normal. Set the font weight to normal. Okay, for every TD element, create a style rule, sets the font color to white, sets the font size to that, and then aligns the cell text with the top of the cell. So that means this. TD, color is going to be white. Font size, 0.9. Okay, and vertical line is going to be up at the top. Okay, let's see what that looks like when we reload. Hey, a little bit better. A little bit better here. We got our black on the on here, and then any of these, believe those were the TDs on our pricing here. You notice here, yeah. See the TDs, anything that was a TD here gets this style here. Color's white, that's our font size, that's our vertical alignment. Okay, any of the THs. Yeah, our THs here. You notice the TH here, the TH here, TH here, TH here, and select a plan is, there should be a TH. Yeah, TH, there's our row span. Isn't that kind of cool to see it come together like this? Okay, column styles. Let's hit our column styles here. Go to column styles, create a style rule for column with the ID. Remember, the ID is a hashtag, and class should be with a dot. Right, go to column styles, create a style rule for column elements with the ID. That means it's a hashtag there. First column. That sets the column width to 24%. Okay, let's just save that. Okay, first call. Let's see if that's in here. Yep, there's our column ID, first call. Right, so we're formatting this here to have a width of 24%. Okay, let's just save that. Let's see how it looks. There it is. Yeah, 24%. Okay, and then anything belonging to data columns class, we're going to set that width to 19%. Okay, so it's call data calls, right? Because, dot means it's a class. Going to do a width of 19%. Okay, save that. Reload over here. Yeah, yeah. There it is, 19%. Okay, so table header styles. Table header styles here. Okay, we're going to create a rule, a style rule for that table header row group, including every row within that row group that sets the row height to 60 pixels. Okay, so that just means we dothead tr and set the height to 60 pixels. Okay, for the first th elements in the first row of the table header row group, create a style rule that sets its font size to 2em. Okay, and this is going to be this thead tr first of type. And the th first of type. Font size 2em. Okay, and then for the th elements in the first row of the table header row group that are not the first heading cell, create a style rule that sets the background color to transparent and the font color to black. Okay, that means thead tr first of type. Okay, first of type th, and this is going to be not first of type, right? So anything not matching that. Background is transparent. And our color is black. Okay. Save your changes. Reload. Hey, cool. Right, so we got our starter prime, prime plus, ultra. Got that there. Then we got our linear gradient going down. That looks a little nicer. Okay. So that looks very close to what this is here. Looks very close. So we can probably feel confident that we can turn this in and get our full points. Okay. So congratulations, that's how to get 100 points there. All right, have fun, and we will see you on the next one.